To indicate a lower position or movement, sit down, lie down, fall down. Please sit down and relax. He was so tired that he had to lie down for a while. She tripped and fell down the stairs. To express a reduction or decrease, slow down, cut down, bring down, you need to slow down while driving in the rain. The company plans to cut down costs this year. They are trying to bring down inflation. To indicate a written record or documentation, write down, note down, take down. Please, write down your address for me. She noted down the main points from the lecture. The officer took down his statement. To describe a decline in mood or energy, feeling down, breakdown, let down. She's been feeling down lately. The car broke down on the highway. I don't want to let you down. To indicate defeat or failure, go down, shut down, turn down. The team went down after a tough match. The store shut down due to low sales. He turned down the job offer. To express completion or control, calm down, settle down, close down. Calm down, there's no need to panic. They decided to settle down and start a family. The restaurant closed down last year. Common collocations with down. Down the road, down to earth, down the line, down the drain. The park is just down the road from here. She is very down to earth despite her success. We might consider expanding down the line. All our hard work went down the drain after the mistake.